How's it going, everybody? Welcome to this week's video. So it's not going to be a video on the Suburban. Ran into some issues, but I decided to get me a new pressure washer. I wanted something a little bit more compact than wherever the big one is. I don't even know where it's at, but this one is a lot more compact. It still puts out actually this one I think puts out more than the other one. Wait a minute, here it is. So this one is 1500 and this one is a 1700. So puts out more, smaller, compact, which is something I liked, and comes with nozzles, a whole bunch of better stuff with it. And I like that the hose can come off because I'm planning on, well, first I'm going to try out this soap thing because we're going to wash the Jeep. But I want to try out this soap dispenser right there, see how it compares to my foam gun. And then also, I was thinking about later is, since this one has the cords, the hoses that disconnect and all that stuff, is maybe upgrading to a foam Canon. They put a lot more foam out, a little bit better for cleaning and washing your cars and all that kind of stuff. But first we're going to go ahead, open this, and test this out and see how this works. I want a new pressure washer anyways, because the one I have is, oh Lord geez, seriously, probably, I don't know, like 15 years old, and it's from Walmart. So I'm not knocking anything from Walmart, but at the same time, it's just been around. So there it is. That's nice. It's decent. And that's one thing I like about this, is this is actually a decent size. It can hold some good amount of soap. The one that was with that pressure washer was maybe about that big. So the bottom where my hand is was gone. It could barely put enough soap out to wash a car, get it soapy. So, a lot better. And like I said, this thing is a lot more compact. I mean, there it is. All right, let's finish unboxing this, then let's get to work on it. So there it is, put together. You know, on and off switch is nice. It's got two little grommets right there where you can put the two different kind of tips. And this is the style that you can go to local stores and pick up different kind of tips. So it's got good quality where you can get different kind of tips for it. And there is that with the soap dispenser on the end. And then you can just pop this off, put this on, and then it's got the tip where you can put the different nozzles. So we're going to do this first, get it all soaped up, and let's get washing. Alright, first thing, where's the soap? Fill this thing with soap and get going. Filled it a little too full. That's all good. Now, one thing is I've never been really much of a person to use pressure washers to clean their cars, but we're gonna try it out. I need a sponge. That might help. Here we go. Let's give this thing a test. don't know if y'all noticed, but that thing is putting down a whole lot of suds. So I actually kind of like this compared to my foam gun. I actually like it. I think we might just stick with this one for a while. Plus I don't have to spend more money on a foam gun or foam cannon, whatever. So. That's a lot of soap. And I mean, you can see, used a little bit less than half so far. So I fill one of these up, I can probably do the whole car easily. Alright, well, let's get to washing, and then I'll get back with you in a minute. Alright, so we got half of it washed. So we're going to take this off. Put that tip on. And now we're going to try this one, which it says it's a 40 degree. Let's see what the other one does. Okay, I like the 40 degree one better. One thing, because I did ceramic coat this, you know, the last time, and I mean, you can still see the water just beating up and rolling it off of it. So the ceramic coating is still staying on after I washed it and pressure washed it, so that's a good thing. So let's go ahead, we're gonna finish washing this, and then we're gonna go dry it and do another ceramic coat on it one more time. We've got the car washed, we've got the car dried. We're gonna ceramic spray it in a minute. So first thing we're gonna do is forgot to tell you about it. So this is a Greenworks electric pressure washer. I got it from Lowe's for $100. And I mean, so far I like it. It is a lot better. It is small, it's light, it works really well. Let's see. Things that I don't like about it is there's just nowhere to wind the cords up and kind of put them on there. That's the only downside to this. There's no cord thing. So what I'm thinking about doing is getting, like, make something off the wall that I can hook this onto, and then it can wind the hook cords on it and the hose and make it a little more storable. Because right now it's just kind of like, it can sit in the corner in a big pile of cord and mess. Rinsing the car with a power washer, yeah, I really don't like that. The soap cannon part of it worked phenomenally, whatever. It worked really well. So I think I want to use that. But actually rinsing the soap off the car, it just takes too long. Pressure washer, puts out a lot of pressure, but the way the water comes out, unless I have a better tip, which I might go and look at the tips and see if I can find a better tip that puts out higher volume of water, maybe a less on the pressure side. But besides that, works wonders. I like it. It is a lot better than this big thing right there that leaks and all that stuff. And the hose, another thing I like is the hose on this it's a lot flexible, a lot more flexible than the hose on the other one. So this one has a lot of good things about it that I really like. So definitely worth the money. If anybody wants to pick one of these up, I would go pick one up. It is worth it. I've seen them on sale before at Lowe's for like $79 because normally they're $99. I paid $99 because I couldn't get it at a time when a sale came, but that's okay. $99 is still worth it for the size and the function of it. All right, so next, let's go ahead and get the Chemical Guys Hydrocharge and get to spraying. And I know you're supposed to do like little section and all that kind of stuff, but it's not all that hot out today. I mean, it is warm, but it ain't like really bad. So I know this stuff ain't gonna dry, but so fast. So I'm just gonna do this whole side of the car, let it set, and then I'll go ahead and do the other side. And I mean, you can see, I don't know, it's hard to see in the camera, but it's nice and wet on there. Wipe it off. Lot of shine now. Again, I love this stuff. This stuff has been the best purchase that I've made for car cleaning. I'm definitely switching all my stuff from Adams to Chemical Guys. I love Chemical Guys now that I started using them. I think it's a lot better quality. Price is cheaper, and the fact that there's a detail garage that sells Chemical Guys stuff right down the road makes it a hell of a lot better. Alright, let me finish this up and we'll show you the end product. Now again, I really wish that it would show up better in video of how well that ceramic spray works. I mean, it is really shiny. Water drop. I mean, even in the shade, the shine is like crazy. Again, love my purchase. I think it was well worth the money. If anybody needs a power washer, I mean, go get one of those. It's worth it. I think so. All right. We'll be back on the Suburban real soon. I gotta iron out a few issues and then we'll get back on it. Till then, catch you in the next video.